going to be talking you through a huge Primark summer haul, so keep watching to find out what I got. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through what's new in Primark for summer 2018. I got so many cool new things and I can't wait to talk you through them. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and please do, so I can keep making more videos like this. And if you're not new to the channel, then welcome back guys. Thanks for watching and let's get started on this really fun haul. So I'm going to start with a really cool item, and I've been looking for a pair of kind of different sunglasses for a while now, and I finally found them. I wanted kind of like a plain pair that I could wear and would go with every outfit, but I didn't just want them to be like an aviator or, you know, like a regular style. I wanted them to be a bit different. So I like these ones because they have like this weird kind of lens shape. It's kind of like it goes up and then down and then... I'm not very good at describing the shape. It's like an oval with slightly sharper edges, if you get me. So you've got kind of 2 points here on the top and the bottom. They're like a black lens with this gold kind of like frame on them. Really, really cute. And you also get this little bag with them, which I love because your sunglasses get marked so easily, especially if you're bringing them on holidays. You're always constantly leaving them down on the table, by the pool. So a little bag like this is something great to keep in your handbag, so you can just pop them back in when you're not wearing them when the sun goes down. I'm going to actually try them on so you guys can see what they look like. So it still has the tag on, so it's kind of, hopefully they're not too wobbly. And yeah, I really like them. I love the way they have the little two things in the center that sit on your nose, because sometimes with the other ones, the kind of plasticky ones, they really sweat your face, especially if you're in the sunshine. If they get too hot and then you end up just wiping your nose and it just gets really hot and sweaty. So I like the way they have those little guys on the inside of the sunglasses, and that's one of the reasons why I picked them up as well. And guess how much they were? They were only €4 for these, an absolute bargain. I love them, and the fact that they give the little bag as well is just an absolute bonus. So I'll actually have to probably take them out off and try them on properly. Okay, I'll do that after. So moving on to another item, and this has to be one of my favorites. I think I'll do a favorite now and then I'll do a favorite at the end as well. Although I love all the stuff I picked up, obviously, but there are of course a couple of favorites in there. So this is one of them. Oh my god, they look even so amazing on the camera. They are as amazing off camera. They are these gorgeous rainbow striped culottes. So they're kind of like 3/4 length, you could say. There's this gorgeous like silky satiny material as well. It feels really expensive. And of course you've got all the different colours for the stripes, so you could really tie in any different colour with this for a top, a handbag, shoes. Go mad with this. I love the way it has all the stripes. And really bold and bright, and we're seeing a lot of this in at the moment, kind of stripes, polka dots, colour. Why not for summer 2018? You have to go for a bit of colour, and it has this like tie belt at the waist as well, which I like because it kind of draws you in as well. I'm going to do like a big kind of knot in that, and then at the back it is kind of like elasticated, so it doesn't look as good at the back. But you can get away with it if you're wearing your top kind of flowy over it as well. You wouldn't really notice it. A really nice length as well. But I definitely paired these maybe with some heels and maybe a nice white top, and then maybe a fun coloured handbag. I have something coming up that I think would work really well with these for summer, and I'll definitely be bringing these on my holidays because they're really light as well. So they're not going to sweat you. They feel nice and light and flowy on your legs. So they're nice and comfortable. These would be a great one for the airport. Really get you in the fiesta holiday mood as well. I really love these, and guess how much they were? Let me see. €16. So a really good bargain there. I've seen something similar in Zara, like as in the colours and the stripes. So that's definitely not a Zara price for these. €16, and I got them in a size 8. I absolutely love them. I can't wait to wear them. You'll probably see them featured on my Instagram somewhere. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, you can check me out. I'll leave the link in the description below as well. Okay, so moving on to another item. This is a plainer item, but it's still nevertheless fabulous. It is this grey like marl midi skirt, and what I like about it, it has a little slit up the back. So I thought this would be like a perfect airport outfit outfit. So you want to go to the airport in something that you're really comfy in. It's not going to be too heavy, it's not going to be too light, especially if you're flying maybe back to somewhere like Ireland, like I do, and it is quite cold when you arrive back in Dublin Airport. So this is going to be nice and light from where I'm flying from to Dublin. It's going to be nice and light, but it's still still at the same time it's going to be, you know, enough coverage to keep you warm. So it's this kind of like ribbed midi. Has a bit of a stretch in it as well, and it feels really nice on. It looks nice as well. I got this in a size 10. I don't think they had an 8 left, but the size 10 is actually perfect because it does kind of cling to you as well. And this was only €8, so I thought that was really, really good, and I love it. Love the slit down the back, elasticated waistband as well, so you can, if you've eaten or drank too much on your holidays as well, this is going to be perfect for the airport, with the elasticated waistband, or maybe going on your holidays if you just want to keep it comfortable and casual. It's going to be brilliant. Okay, so moving on to another item, and I love this. Oh, this is so much fun. It is a gorgeous midi wrap dress, and it has like a tie detail around the waist as well, so you've got an extra little tie there, so that kind of ties at the front like that. You could do it in a lovely bow, or of course you could bring it around to the back. There probably is enough material that you could bring it around to the back as well, and it's covered in polka dots. And as I said, for summer 2018, stripes and polka dots are really in, especially polka dots. So when I saw this, I had to have it. Look at the sleeve detail. You've got this gorgeous like frill on the sleeve, really, really pretty. And then that kind of ties in with the bottom, because the bottom is kind of like nice and flowy. So it comes across the body, and then it kind of wraps across like that. So it's higher at the front and lower at the back. And then the kind of leg is revealed because it kind of splits down the bottom there. It's a really nice V neckline. It's really flattering on all shapes, so that's why I picked it up. And I love the polka dot, and the polka dot aren't just white, as you can see. You've got kind of like a navy blue, you've got a peach, and you've got red and white. Really cute. This was only €16, and I got it in a size 8, and it fits really, really nice on, kind of hugs the body. This would also be a good airport outfit. I'm like, I literally bought everything for the airport. No, I didn't. This would be perfect for holidays as well, or just for like a summer barbecue. It could be casual. You could dress it up with a pair of heels, dress it down with a pair of flip-flops. And I think you could really pair any colours with it. You've got with the white, you've got the red, you've got the navy kind of blue as well. So really versatile. I absolutely love this. Size 8, €16, and the polka dot is just like bang on trend for 2018 as well. So I'm really happy with that. I am glad I picked that up. So I've got stripes, I've got polka dot, I've got casual, and I've got my sunglasses so far. So I'm getting there. I'm getting there with my holiday wardrobe for 2018. Another item that I picked up, and I love this. It's such a pretty colour. I love lemon. I wouldn't normally go for like a lemon top, to be honest, but I'm becoming more brave lately. Normally I'd stick to kind of like this kind of colour, like a red, black, white, grey. You know, the odd time I might go for like a baby pink or something like that. But lately I've been like, I'm loving yellow, I'm going to go for a blue, maybe even a green. And I think it's really fun to kind of just like experiment with colours. You can, my voice got really weird there. You can really surprise yourself. Sometimes when you try something on, you can be like, oh my god, this actually suits me. And especially if you've got a bit of tan from the summer sun, then yellow is going to really make your tan pop. So this gorgeous blouse has kind of like a waterfall-y sleeve. It's nice and flowy. It's a really, really light material. It's almost like a linen, but I know it's not a linen, but it feels like that. It's that really light, breathable fabric as well. So a really good one for summer. It's got that V-neck as well, so the V-neck is really great, really flattering in all shapes and body types. And then it's got these covered buttons, which I think make it look so expensive. I love covered buttons for some reason. I feel like they're just so cute. I feel like it's because you see them on wedding dresses, and I always watch that show, Say Yes to the Dress, and the covered buttons down the back of the dresses always make me go, so when I saw this, I was like, covered buttons, it's not a wedding dress, but it's something close. So you've got the covered buttons down the front, and then you've also got this little tie detail down the bottom as well. So a few details there, the sleeve, the buttons, and the little tie detail all make this kind of blouse look way more expensive than it is. I actually did take the tag off because, believe it or not, I've already worn it. Like, I literally, as soon as I got it, I was like, take the tag off. wear it out. I need to wear it straight away. I love it. It's perfect with a pair of denim jeans, maybe a pair of white sandals, a white handbag. Really, really summery and great for holidays. I'm pretty sure it was probably like around €12 for this or something like that. It didn't break the bank anyway, that's what I remember. It wasn't too expensive. So I love that, love the lemon, and I think it looks really nice on, so ta-da, you can see. Okay. So moving on to, is this the last? Oh my god, the last item in the haul, but I said I'd keep the best for last, and this is definitely my favourite item. Wait till you see. Oh, oh my god, guys. Aloha! I love ya. Aloha, I love ya. It is this gorgeous straw clutch bag. So the straw is all in at the moment as well. You see a lot of people with kind of the rounded straw handbags. All the Instagrammers, all the bloggers, they all have them. And to be honest, I really like, you know, when you see something like that, I'm like, yeah, I really like the straw bag. But a lot of the time, I kind of want to be like my own individual person. I don't want to like copy the fact that every single blogger and Instagrammer out there has that straw round bag. Like, it's fabulous, but I want to be different. I don't want to be the same as everybody else. So I thought instead of picking up a round straw bag, I'd get something else that's going to be perfect for my holidays. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, I need it in my life. So all the little pom-poms, all the woolen pom-poms all around are all like half and half. And I didn't discover this till I got home. So even like the pink, you've got like a light pink, a dark pink, you've got a light yellow, then kind of like orangey, light blue, another shade of light blue, and even the dark blue, 2 shades of blue. I love that. I think it's really, really good. A lot of detail has gone into this. And then this is all, the Aloha is almost like this, you know, kind of like a piece of rope maybe that you find like on a boat or something like that. I think it's supposed to kind of tie in with that theme. And I thought this would be brilliant for when you're going into the beach or even the swimming pool. There's actually a good bit of space in there, and a little pocket for your phone, and a little handle. So that's always handy with a clutch bag. Sometimes it can be annoying just carrying them like that, but if you can just kind of swing it on your wrist, you're away. You don't have to worry about anything. So I thought it'd be perfect for the pool to just like throw your bikini, or even like, you know, when you're just heading down to the pool in your bikini and flip-flops, and all you want to bring with you is like your phone, some money for some ice cream, and maybe like a sun cream and a lip balm in there, and that's literally all you need. You don't need like a huge beach bag that you're like, oh my god, why did I bring this massive thing? It's digging into my shoulder. I'm trying to get a tan here, not carry a bag. So I thought this is literally perfect, and it just screams holiday as well. And when I picked up this, I hadn't seen the trousers yet, but the pair of them together are like so much fun. So I can imagine myself maybe with a black or white top, this bag, black or white shoes, and it will just be like a perfect match, and so summery and holidays, and I am in love with this. And this bag was only €8. Oh my god, I didn't realise it was that cheap. So you're getting all that detail, you're getting all the pom-poms, the Aloha, the straw look, which is really on trend, and for only €8. I think that is such a bargain. I'm so happy with this, and I can't wait to wear it out for the first time. I know everybody's going to be jealous of my holiday bag. I love it. So you can get this in Primark. It's in there at the moment, and it's all over their Instagram as well. I did see it on somebody else's Instagram beforehand, and I was like, oh my god, I need to look for that in there. And when I saw it, I fell even more in love. I absolutely love that. So that is it, guys. That is my summer 2018 Primark haul. I got so many fun bits of dresses, bags, sunglasses, tops, skirts, you name it, it's in there, and some great things for the airport and for when you're on holidays as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this. If you have, then please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and comment below and let me know what your favorite item is, and if you like watching this video. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.